Hello, and welcome back to the studio. I'm Dr. Wigo, and today we're going to be unboxing a heating pad. What? Well, if you watched my last Vision Pro video, you know I was sitting on a heating pad because I am in horrible back pain. In fact, I have spent the last 2 weeks essentially in bed because the pain in my back is so severe. So I decided to get another heating pad so I could have maybe another place to sit in the house where I could get some relief. The heating pad doesn't give me a lot of relief. By the way, the heating pad I have now, I will put on the screen here. It's a Q-Fun, and it has a lot of features. You get a degree range from 86 degrees to like 158, I think. I put it on 120. And it's like 1 hour up to 10 hours of timer. It's a pretty nice little thing. However, it doesn't really work that well. And one of my commenters on the Vision Pro video where I was talking about the heating pad was a nurse and said, you really need to get an infrared heating pad. Well, guess what I have here? Far infrared heating. So we'll find out if my subscriber is correct. Well, it's a nurse, probably correct, just thinking. So we're gonna do this really quick. If all you care about is a heating pad, which is probably why you clicked on the video, go ahead and skip to the next chapter. Because first I'm gonna tell my normal subscribers, the 20 or 30 of you who bothered to click on this video, catch you up on my back situation. So I told you I'd tried some steroids, which worked briefly, and then by the following week I was back in horrible pain, had to go back to the doctor, and he couldn't give me steroids again because I'm diabetic, and you can't, it messes with your blood sugar, so I couldn't have steroids back to back to back. But he scheduled me for an MRI, so I had that last week, and I'm gonna see him Monday, and hopefully we'll start getting to the bottom of what's going on in the bottom of my back, which is really unpleasant. The pain is constant. I've gotten it down from, it was like a 9 at night, and I've gotten it down to like a 7 at night, so I can at least sleep through most of it. Although I don't think I've slept more than 5 hours in 2 weeks. You don't care about all that. Well, actually, some of you, those of you who click through probably do care about all that. Yes, I'm getting help, and I'm gonna go look for another mattress. I've been looking at the purple mattress. So guess what? There'll be a mattress video coming up. Woohoo! And I've also been looking at some others. The Nectar is what my sister recommended. Oh, because my family came to visit me while I was sick. It was already scheduled, and then I didn't want to cancel because I don't know when I'll ever see them again because I can't drive right now. I mean, I can drive to the store, but that's about it. And thank God for heated seats in cars. So my health is bad, but getting better, maybe, not really. It hasn't gotten better in 2 weeks. I had the MRI, gonna see the doctor on Monday, and hopefully he'll be able to figure out what's going on. Oh, and it's been long enough I could have steroids again, so I'm looking forward to that. But in the meanwhile, I need something to help relieve the pain, and my subscriber said infrared heating. Well, here's infrared heating. Okay, well, as you can see from the box, this is the UTK far infrared heating. This one's very expensive. This one's like over $200. There's a cheaper version, but you know me, I never get the cheaper version. Oh, it comes in a little carrying case, already packed inside. So that's all we need the box for. Relieves pain. Let me see if it has on the box what it had on the Amazon. Negative ions, the use of natural jade stone gives you the even transmission of deep penetrating heat and promotes environmentally therapeutic negative ions. And by the way, you notice there's a lot more sizes. This is the medium pro. In the Amazon description, which I will throw up on the screen somewhere, it talks about the use of the jade stone will relieve your turbid chi. Let's see what's in here. Here's the controller. It's nice it has a little carrying case. Little Velcro strap. Ooh, fancy. So this is bigger than the one I have. This is 21 by 31, and the one I have, I think, is 17 by 21. You see that plug? That's a heck of a plug. And this is what plugs into that. Oh, and it locks. There were little plastic spring out things that locked. And then this is the controls. So you have time up and down, temperature up and down, like my other one. Hot stone therapy. It's got a whole thing going on in here. I didn't see any instructions. Well, let me plug this in. Like I said, I've been doing the other one about 120. So we'll do 0, 45, 60, 75, 90. So basically 15-minute increments, 4 hours. So the other one will go to 10 hours. This one will only go to 4 hours. I want to go sit down and put this behind me and see if this does better than the one I've been using.
2 hours later.
So I wasn't actually going to review it because I wasn't going to be able to spend much time with it. But I went downstairs and have been sitting on it for like the last hour and a half, and I feel better. It's working. That infrared is better. Now this is the old one, the $40 one. The new one is $200. Now, is it 5 times better? No. In fact, this has a little better display with multiple things, and so it's not worth 5 times as much, but it's definitely better. The infrared, so thank you, commenter, for suggesting that, because it's working for me. I'm still in a lot of pain, but I'm not in as much pain as I was an hour and a half ago. Is it worth $200? Probably not. But to me, it is. Because while this has been helpful, I would never say that this has made me feel much better. And that one, after just an hour and a half sitting on it, I feel better. I mean, yes, I'm still in a lot of pain. Hope the doctor on Monday can give me some more steroids or something. So that's my review after an hour and a half of use. It takes a lot longer to get, this one gets up to temperature almost instantaneously. I mean, it takes 60 seconds maybe. And that one took like several minutes. It's very slowly got. Next week, maybe another little nothing unboxing thing. Because I've spent the last 2 weeks in bed, I'm way behind on my grading for school, and it's midterms, and so I got to get all the midterm grades out. So that's probably what I'm going to have to do this week. I probably won't get to the Vision Pro review next week. It'll be the week after next. So come back in 2 weeks for my full Vision Pro review from top to bottom. It's going to need a lot of editing because it's going to be, I'm going to do a full review. Something I rarely do on this channel, so come on back for that. In the meanwhile, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye. I'm going to go back down and sit back down on my new Jade infrared heated thing to get my turgid chi back in action. Thanks for staying to the end. Bye-bye.